Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by obtaining your ChatGPT API key and preparing tools. Create an OpenAI account and request API access. Once approved, copy the key. Next, install the official SDK or confirm curl is available so you can send requests. Then, make sure to store the key securely. Use a env file or a secrets manager, and export it as OpenAI API KEY so your local apps can read it without hardcoding. Once your key is set, compose a request and understand the payload. You send post to the chat completions endpoint with authorization. Bearer plus your key include model, temperature, and messages array. In code, parse the JSON response and extract choices 0. Message. Content. Also inspect usage to monitor tokens consumed. Make sure to implement retries for transient 429 or 5xx errors and respect backoff. This prevents rate limit failures and helps your integration remain stable under load. You finish by deploying with safety and observability in place. Before going live, rotate keys and prefer scoped credentials, store them in a secret store and grant minimal permissions. Once deployed, set budget alerts and monitor token usage to control costs. Also log requests and responses, redact secrets, and add retries with exponential backoff. If something goes wrong, check status codes and rate limit headers first. If you still fail, revoke and reissue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.